All right, I got everything back together. I checked out the air filter. It looks brand new, clean. Made sure that this was all hooked up. And I actually forgot to hook up the IAT sensor. And topped off all the fluids. I flushed out the oil again. Since I was cranking it over, since there was water in there, I went ahead and replaced it again. So the last step, put this 20 amp fuel pump fuse back in. And my only concern now is that the gas that's in here is extremely old and there's no way to really efficiently drain the gas in these cars. It's got over half a tank, or that's what the gauge says. I don't know if it works, but we're gonna send it. I'm nervous. Oh my God. All right, so it started. And there's definitely something very wrong with the engine. I'm not sure why it died. I'm sure gas is bad. Yeah, I smell some. Let me just go make sure nothing's leaking. I definitely smell some maybe oil or something. Engine was shaking pretty good. Could be misfiring, could be a lot of things. But I don't see any fuel leaks. I don't smell any. I just smell whatever burned when I try to start it. Let's give her another go. Check that out, bro. If you pulled up to the scene in 2003 with this shit, bro, you were flexing. Oh my gosh, it just shot all kinds of crap out of the exhaust. What the fuck? This was in the exhaust? What? Maybe there were rats in there at some point or something. All right, that's a little concerning, but not enough to prevent me from going full send. Come on, Billy. She is running. Oh yeah. There's a knocking. It goes away under load. And there she goes. All right, I'm gonna get her off the lift and get her outside and we'll keep messing with it. I'm about to take it for a little drive because the purpose of me doing this is I already knew the motor had to get taken out of it and either rebuilt or put a new one in, but I want to try to figure out what's wrong with the engine. I want to figure out what works and what doesn't on the car so I know it's a fix so that I can just do everything all at one time and get back in and enjoy this thing. All right, let's see if the AC works. Whoa, whoa. All right, vent's working. Let's see if it'll get cold. Oh, that's working. That's cold.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, let's move the seat forward a little bit. Oh, just grinded and going into reverse.
Unexperienced right there, sons.
Oh no, that could be a problem with clutch or something not fully disengaging. Yeah, this is a serious clutch in here. Let me see if I can adjust these from here. I can't see shit. So the brakes are very rusted on this thing, so we gotta figure out how those are going. Oh, we're burning the clutch. That's how the brakes.
I have their seatbelt on, son.
Go ahead and put it on.
Yep.
Oh yeah, the suspension's real loose. Probably the struts. They look like they're factory struts. Transmission works pretty well.
Oh my god, that sounds terrible.
So the reason for the water gauge is because the factory one stopped working. But that's good. I like to have a proper gauge anyways. Yeah, the front end's something's real loose in it. Probably ball joint or struts. Wow. She's got some balls.
Hey, you forget who's in the car.
What, a little bitch?
Yeah. I don't like all this shit.
This is a 200 horsepower Cobra.
Okay. Oh, hey now.
Can you hop out real quick, James?
Yeah, I'll be down with that one.
Get it from the front. So you can hear the rod knock.